Welcome to ITS in Shenzhen, one of China's largest industrial exhibitions. Today, Bodor is here for a very special occasion. We are not here simply to showcase our machines, but also to share an important milestone for the company. What is this? Come with me, follow me. Here we are at the Bodor laser booth. During this exhibition, we will make an announcement that means a great deal to us. Today, we will officially share a milestone that is especially significant for Bodor. Bodor's laser cutting machines have ranked #1 worldwide in sales for 7 consecutive years. 7 consecutive years. For us, this is a truly meaningful moment. Founded in 2008, Bodor is now a leading international provider of laser solutions. With our self-developed core technologies, we help manufacturing professionals produce high-quality metal products through reliable, innovative, and cost-competitive laser solutions. Bodor's products, including laser cutting and laser welding machines, are used across a wide range of industries, such as automotive, aviation, medical, electronics, and metal fabrication. And now, I would also like to show you some of the new machines we are presenting here at the exhibition. Let's take a closer look at the machines and what this event is about. As we were saying before, Bodor focuses on laser cutting and is developing in-house capabilities across core components, software, and complete machine manufacturing. This includes laser saws, cutting heads, control systems, and industrial software. This integrated structure supports products consistency, technical development, and service efficiency across different markets. Since 2019, Bodor has maintained this position through steady growth, continued technical investment, reliable machine performance, and long-term customer around the world. This continuous sales growth is also reflected in Bodor's result, with more than 8,000 units in 2024 and more than 10,000 in 2025. This result does not belong to Bodor alone. It also reflects the support of customers, partners, and everyone who has worked with us over the years. We can see our machines. At this exhibition, we are showing 4K machines: the SK, SC, and the L, and the A with the scanning cut. Together, these machines reflect several K directions in Bodor's current lineup, from high-speed tube processing to high-speed sheet processing and a higher power application. Next, I will briefly focus on 2 of them, the SK and the AC. Let's start with the SK. Here, the SK is a high-speed tube laser cutting solution designed for efficient daily productions. The machine shown here handles a wide range of tubes with tube length of up to 6,500 millimeters, tube weight of up to 50 kilograms, and minimum remnants of 40 millimeters. In motion performance, it reaches to 160 revolutions per minute, 150 meters per minute, and 2.7 G, while the rear shaft positions itself in just 2.5 seconds. This machine is for speed, workflow efficiency, and material utilization. The sky bow bed and transmission structure support high-speed stability. Automatic loading can run in parallel with cutting, and the high-driven nesting improves cutting efficiency by 30% compared with the traditional nesting. And we have an optional zero-scrap cutting and bevel cutting, further supports material savings and assembly quality. In practical terms, the SK is a tube solution built around speed, stability, and efficient production. And for larger format sheet metal processing, we also offer the L series here. It is built for customers who need more space, more flexibility, and a smoother production flow. What makes it especially practical is its segment processing design. That means cutting, loading, and unloading can happen at the same time, helping improve overall efficiency in batch production. The L series also supports modular work tables, 1-second edge finding, and secondary positioning, so it can adapt more easily to different processing needs on site. And for more advanced applications, it also offers real-time cutting zone, monitoring, remnant layout, and multiple bevel cutting types, making it a strong solution for more complex and demanding jobs. Now let's move to the SC. The SC is a high-speed sheet metal laser cutting solution developed mainly for thin sheet processing. The machine shown here provides a working area of 3048 millimeters by 1524 millimeters, with a maximum linkage speed of 180 meters per minute and a maximum acceleration of 2.5 g. Its core trait is overall processing efficiency. Depending on the material, the SC can double total efficiency in thin sheet processing, and compared with previous generation lighting cutting machines, it can deliver a further twofold improvement in total processing efficiency. Under standard operating conditions, it also improves precision indicators, such as a roundness by 20% compared with the comparable high-speed machines on the market. Its strength also comes from structure and control. The Titan stabilizer bed, the dedicated transmission system, and the high-speed cornering algorithm support stable, high-speed cutting and more accurate path transition. One-click edge detection improves setup efficiency by up to 500% compared with manual edge finding, while visual anti-collision monitoring supports operator safety. The SC can also be integrated with the systems such as the iLoader, iTrans, and the iTower. In practical use, the SE is a sheet cutting solution focused on speed, stable precision, and a stronger overall production efficiency. We will now move to the extract section.
接下来，让我们有
Chen
请
Lieke,
前瞻
founder
产
of
业
the
研究
Shenzhen
院
Industry
创始人
Research
陈
Institute,
立
will
科先
share
生
an
上
external
台，
view
为我们
on
带来
Bodor's
权威
development
的解
and
读。掌
on
声
the
有
meaning of
请。
these 7 years results.
尊敬的各位领
Respected
导、
leaders,
各
honored
位嘉宾、
guests,
激光界
and
的同
colleagues
仁们，
from
大
the
家
laser
上午好。
industry. Good
我是前
afternoon.
瞻产业研究院
My
创始
name
人陈立
is
科，
Chen Lieke,
非常
founder
荣
of the
幸
Shenzhen
受邀出席
Industry
今天
Research
发布会。
Institute. It is a
根据
great
激光
honor
七颗机
to be
行业发
invited
展
to
研究报
today's
告
launch
测试，
launch
帮着
event
激光
and
七颗
to
机销量
witness
连
this
续7
historic
年
moment
全球
together
第
with
一。
all of you.
今天与大家
According to
共
the
同见
research
证这
report
一历史
on
性
the
时刻，
development of
我
the
代
laser
表前
cutting
瞻产
machine
业研究
industry,
院
Bodor
对
Laser
邦德激光
has
取
ranked
得的
number
卓越
1
成绩
globally in laser
表示
cutting
对
machine
诚挚
sales
的祝
volume
贺。
for 7 consecutive
10年
years.
前，全
On
球
behalf of Shenzhen
激光
Industry
七个
Research
设备的头
Institute,
部榜
I
单，
would like to
上海
extend my
先有中
sincerest
国企业的经验。
congratulations to Bodor
而今
Laser
天，
on
邦德
this
激光不仅身体，
outstanding
为
achievement.
连续7
As an
年
independent
稳居榜首。
third-party research
这背后是中国
institution,
激光产
we
业
fully
从
understand
追
the
赶到
significance
引领
of
的
the
坚实跨
of
越。
the statement.
作为一
Number
家第
1
三
in
方研究
global
机构，
sales volume
我
for
们
7
深知
consecutive
连
years.
续7年全球第
This
一
is
这
not
一数
the
据的定
result
量，
of a
它
one-time
不是偶
surge,
然的爆
but
发，
the
而
sustained
是
proof
系统
of
性能
strong
力的持续
systematic
验证。
capabilities.
邦德激光在过去
Over
的
the
1年
past
里，
year,
君
Bodor
对此
Laser
的超级
has
工
achieved
厂，
a series of
连下
remarkable
线设备
milestones.
破万
Its
台，
Dream Space
华
Super
南总部基
Factory
地
has
落址
delivered
深
more
圳，
than
形
10,000
成南
machines
北协
annually.
同。
And South China
3款
headquarters
产
has
品
been
在获
established
红
in
点奖，
Shenzhen,
自
creating
研企业
strong
级 AI 助手全面落
synergy
地。
between northern
这
and
些不是孤立的
southern
亮点，
operations.
而是一条从
3
产能、
products have won
研
the Red
发、
Dot
设计
Award,
到智能化
and
的
its
完整产
self-developed
业创新链
enterprise
条。
level
这
AI
是这种
system
体
has
系化
been
的能
fully
力，
implemented.
支撑着邦德
These
激
are
光在
not
全
isolated
球
highlights,
市场中
but
持续
part of
保
a
持领
complete
先身位。
innovation chain
展望
spanning
未来，
manufacturing capacity,
我们期待邦
R&D,
德激光在
design,
3
and
个第一
intelligent
的竞争场
transformation.
上持续
It
引
is
领。
precisely this
前瞻产业
systematic
将
strength
持续以
that
独立
enables
专业
Bodor
的研究
Laser
视
to
角，
maintain its
记录并
leadership
见证
in
中
the
国激
global
光企业
market.
走向全球
And
舞台
finally,
中央的每一
I
步。
wish Bodor
最后，
Laser even
祝愿邦
greater
德激光
success in
再
the
创辉
future,
煌，
and I wish
祝
today's
愿本次发布会
launch
取
event
得
a
圆满
complete
成功。
success.
谢谢大家。
Thank you all.
3、2、1，请揭牌。
It is now officially confirmed. Bodor has ranked number 1 in global laser cutting machine sales for 7 consecutive years. Alongside machine performance, service remains another important part of Bodor's overall system. Bodor offers a 5-year warranty, supported by in-house development of core components, remote technical support, fast response mechanisms, and localized service teams in different markets. The goal is straightforward: to help customers maintain stable operation and reduce unnecessary production interruptions. Bodor understands that the market will keep changing and the competition will remain strong. That response to that is no slogan. It is continued work on products, software, core components, manufacturing, and service quality. Step by step, that is how consistency is maintained over time. Thank you for being with us today. We hope this event has given you a clear view of both the result itself and the part of the work behind it.
Bodor Laser's 7 consecutive years as the global #1 represent more than strong market performance. They reflect the company's brand strength, engineering expertise, and worldwide recognition. From sustained breakthroughs to continued leadership, Bodor Laser remains committed to quality excellence, innovation-driven growth, and brand advancement, providing world-class fiber laser solutions for manufacturers around the world.
Bodor, dare to dream.